you agree to use the knowledge gained for ethical and legal purposes only. Always act responsibly and follow local laws and regulations.
You lit me up like a dashboard glow, midnight code in a moonlit row. We were just bytes in the bandwidth tide, but your voice broke through the other side.